Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start now, power the earbuds off and unpair them so no voltage flows. Once done, remove silicone tips and any cushions. This exposes seams. Use a plastic pry tool at the seam and apply gentle, steady pressure. Don't force metal tools which can snap plastic. Make sure you have a small Phillips or T3 driver ready. Tiny screws are common. Keep screws in a labeled tray. This initial access prevents damage and sets you up to reach the battery safely. Once the shell is open, identify the battery and its connector, note red and black wire orientation, and take a quick photo for reference. If soldered, use a low-temp soldering iron and remove solder from the pads. If clipped, use a spudger to unclip the connector. Carefully lift the battery. Batteries can be glued, so soften adhesive with a bit of isopropyl alcohol and patience. Make sure you don't damage the PCB or antenna traces while freeing the pack. Install the replacement by aligning polarity and seating the connector. Solder with minimal heat or clip it back in firmly. Once connected, tuck the battery into its cavity exactly as the original sat and ensure any adhesive or foam is replaced to secure it. Reassemble the housing, tighten screws to a snug fit, and restore tips. Charge fully and pair to test sound and microphone. If the earbuds won't power or pair, try a factory reset and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.